Intense now. Hey, you talking about we alive? You speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? Hey y'all, as y'all can see, today's video is a motivational cleaning me video. If y'all need a little help getting up and doing the things that y'all need to get done, watch this video all the way through and I guarantee y'all it will give y'all the boost that y'all need. So as y'all can see, I started off doing the dishes. I hate the dishes, I hate the kitchen, I hate all of it. So I just figured, let me knock out the part that I hate the most. That way everything else can be a breeze. So my boyfriend's sister had got us this microwave. It's new, so I didn't have to do any deep cleaning. I just wiped it down with Lysol wipe. And then after, y'all will see me unboxing my dish rack that I had got off of my Amazon apartment registry. My mom had ended up buying it off of there for me, and I wasn't gonna put it together myself, but I ended up getting my boyfriend to do it because I'm like, I have other things to do. I can't be fighting with this dish rack. So moving on to the stove, I'm just using the Method antibacterial spray to wipe off the surface of the stove. Y'all will see that there's something that spilled inside of the oven door that I have to get my boyfriend to unscrew the glass so I can do it clean inside. That will get done one of these days, but I'm just cleaning off the surface of the stove and the oven door, and then y'all will see that I use this kit. It's like this stovetop kit that I got from Walmart. It was like $8, and nothing gets burnt food and residue off like this kit. So if you have I think this is an electric stove. If you have an electric stove, then I really do recommend this kit. Also, I wanted to say that in between like each wipe, I was rinsing the rag off. I don't know if that's like a given, but I be wondering, like, do people just kind of be smearing around the stuff? Do they be rinsing a rag to kind of like clean? I don't know, but I do rinse my rag in between wipes just so I am making sure I'm getting off the spray off of the stove. Now I'm just opening up the kettle that my mom had got me from my registry. Nothing eats dirt up from the floor like boiling hot water and some floor cleaner. So if you never tried mopping with boiling hot water, please do, because it makes a big difference. And I just wanted the kettle just so the boiling process can be faster in between like mopping rooms. But right here, I'm just straightening up the dining room and the inside porch to get ready to mop. So while I was mopping on the inside porch, somebody came to my door. I don't know if it was like a lady and her boyfriend or a lady and her brother, but they came to rumble. Like, they came asking for somebody named Gilbert. I'm like, Gilbert don't live here. So they went to the people's door that live above us, and she was calling somebody. I guess she was calling Gilbert, but they looked like they wanted to rumble. And I'm like, Gilbert don't live here. I don't know what that was about, but y'all can see right here the water is filthy. Like, look how dirty it is. So me and Justin, we definitely gotta get some slippers so we're not walking around the house with our shoes. So this is how my kids' room was looking. They just had ate and had a bath. So I'm like, all right, let me knock this room out while they're laying down. So their room is nowhere near where I want it to be. I don't even really know how I want their room to be, but I know that they do need, some more things. But slowly but surely, they will get all of the things that they need for their room. So as far as their clothes, I was just throwing their clothes in the closet because I was putting it in a bag, but then they would just take it out of the bag. So now they have cute little hampers that I got off of my registry to be able to put their clothes in.
Everybody's like, he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should have figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Maintain it, safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lotion. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a hamper ticket, not promotion. So I'm wiping their TV off with a Lysol wipe. They touch the screen all day. So we are ordering them a TV stand this week. But mama, yeah, she just, if Miss Rachel's on, she's literally kissing Miss Rachel through the screen all day. So while the bathroom floor was drying, I did go into our room and start sweeping. I am enjoying the fact that we don't have much furniture yet, because the more furniture and stuff that you have, obviously the more cleaning and keeping up that you have to do. But I will say I can't wait until we do get like a nice big bed. After that, I did go back into the bathroom and finish up all the things that I needed to finish up. And then I did go in and use this glass cleaner. This glass cleaner is the best glass cleaner. It smells so good. And then after that, I did go back into the room and start mopping. This is the end of this video. I really hope that it was motivational to somebody. If it was, please give this video a like. Comment down below. It really does help my channel. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bitch, I'm about my chicken like it's a 2-piece. You can have your bitch.